Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to be checking out this new compact EDC knife from Sencut. This is the Skelfin. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome folding EDC knife from Sencut and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this knife. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Sencut for sending me this knife to review. Let's get started. Let's begin with some quick size references just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this knife. Here it is next to a large permanent marker. Here's a look at them vertically side by side so you can compare the diameter of the pen next to the knife. Let's take a rough measurement here with the blade closed. Looks like we got just about 4 1/4 inches overall length with the blade closed. And now with the blade open. And back to vertical. And let's get a rough measurement here with the blade open. Looks like we got just about 7 1/2 inches overall length with the blade open. Let's have a look here at the top of the knife, just so you get a better idea for the overall thickness of this knife. So here's a pair of chopsticks. This is the thicker side, and we look to be just about the same thickness as that. Let's run a ruler across this way and see what we get from scale to scale. Just about 7/16 of an inch thick. Let's have a look at the thickness of the blade over in the thumb ramp area, and it looks to be just about the same thickness as a US nickel. Let's run a ruler across the thumb ramp area and see what we got. Just about 1/8 of an inch thick. Let's get this knife on the scale so you know how much weight you're going to be carrying around. Coming in at 2.5 ounces. That's pretty light. And just in case you're wondering what 2.5 ounces might feel like, well, if you got some AA batteries around the house, weighs almost as much as 3 of those. Skelfin's going to come in 3 different color variations. This is the white G10 with black finish. There's a black G10 out there and then a pink G10. Both of those have satin finish blades. Let's have a look at your opening mechanisms. There are 2. You've got these dual thumb studs as well as your push button lock. To utilize the dual thumb studs, you can just dig your thumb in and rotate the blade around, or with a little bit of practice, you can flick it open. To use the push button lock, all you got to do is press it down, fling it out, and release. The opening action on this knife is incredibly quick and crisp. The blade is pivoting on a caged ceramic ball bearing system. Your locking mechanism and your blade release is this push button lock here. Accessible only on the left side of the knife. And here's how it works. As the blade is rotating around, you're going to see that notch lock right into place. It's going to pop open and it locks it in. To release, all you got to do is push it in. That'll release it and the blade will just fall. Let's have a look up front at this blade, starting off over in the thumb ramp area. All right, there's a closer look at your jimping. Gonna turn it sideways so you guys can see just how high those peaks are. Feels really good. We got a clip point blade, so it's gonna start off really thick here. It's gonna hit the swedge and really thin out. Look at that. Vicious looking clip point blade. This knife does have a very small sharpening choil, and that's going to help you sharpen the entire edge from the tip all the way down to the heel. This knife does have a hollow grind. You can see the curvature right there. See that space? And that means that this edge is as thin as it can be, and it's going to be a really nice slicer. This blade is made out of 9 CR18 MOV. That is a high carbon stainless steel with about 18% chromium. That's going to give you really nice corrosion resistance. You're going to get decent wear resistance, easy to sharpen and maintain. And as we're going to see, takes a nice sharp edge. Going to drop you guys right down on the inside of the handles to have a look at these full stainless liners. And you can see on both sides, they have been skeletonized to save on weight. Gonna bring you guys in nice and close so you can check out the texturing of these G10 scales. Basically a linen pattern here. Nice beveling on the sides here. Nice and clean. Now, let's talk about your grip dynamics, how this feels in the hand. Right, very neutral grip. You got no finger grooves, just a slight curvature here, and it comes around to an open grip here on the bottom. Right, very easy to get all 4 of your fingers in here. Right up against this finger guard, locks it in nice and tight. If you got bigger hands, might be a little bit of a challenge, but with how slim this blade is, it's very well balanced, and it feels like it just wants to slice. Let's have a look at the back of the knife here, and they've gone with standoffs in the back. Looks like you got 2 big spools there and 1 little one. Gives it a nice contrast. Here's a close-up of the pocket clip, and that should carry pretty deep into your pocket there. It is reversible to the other side, and tip-up carry only. Here is a quick look at what this knife is going to look like when you dunk it down in your pocket. Pretty much just disappears in there. All right, there's a profile view. All right, guys, let's do some cutting with this factory edge. Nice slow cuts here. Nice and smooth, no toothiness. Very nice. Can I get one more over here? Yeah, absolutely. Let's see if we can get through some 550 paracord. Put it right on the belly here. No problem. Let's close it up by cutting some cardboard. Got 2 layers here. Shouldn't have any problem with the sharpness of this blade getting through it. Yeah, really good. Flip it over this way, get one more. Easy. Once again, guys, this has been the Skelfin from Sencut. Incredibly thin and lightweight. This is going to be real easy to carry in your pocket. It's going to be perfect for EDC. It's got a nice slicey blade and a hollow grind. Should cut really good. If you're looking for a new EDC knife, this could be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome folding EDC knife from Sencut, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.